Hello, it's Mark from Company23 here again. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use part number 567. This is our Company23 Flywheel locker tool. So if you're asking yourself, why do I need that? That's a great question. Let me show you. So if you've ever tightened anything that can rotate, AKA this flywheel, if I go to torque these bolts, that likes to spin. Now, there are backyard shade tree methods of jamming things that like to spin. Sticking a screwdriver in is a popular one, but we don't like to do that. We want to use the right tool for the job, right? Right, people. So instead, we're gonna use our Company23 Flywheel locker tool. This bolts right on the factory bell housing and will actually properly hold the flywheel. So I'm just gonna take my bolts, get them started in the tool. Make sure my flywheel is lined up. I'm gonna tighten these down and I'll be right back. Now that we got our Company23 Flywheel locker tightened down in the bell housing, our teeth are properly engaged in our STI flywheel that's going on this FA20. Now, I can actually properly tighten my flywheel bolts without having any sort of rotational movement that might affect my torque value. This is a great tool if you're doing a clutch, flywheel, whatever. Not only to hold the flywheel while you're tightening the flywheel bolts, but also you can leave this in place to tighten your pressure plate bolts when you get those all done. One less thing you gotta do, this also works great if you're doing this job and your engine is still in the car and you've removed the transmission. It just works great. It's not that expensive a tool and can save a lot of headaches as you work on your own Subaru. So if you're interested in one of these, you can grab one at www.company23.com. If you have any questions, will this fit my car, or what's that made out of, or what's the 23 mean? I don't know. You can email support@company23.com and Harris will get back to you, not me, or hit us up on social media channels, whatever those are. So that's all I got. Anyway, I love you. Bye. Wow, that was good.